Thanking you very much, Sue.
Welcome.
Your mic's on. Is mine green?
Yes, yes.
Beep, beep, clap, clap. Right then. Today we're in the northern Northampton Shire. Cleaning windows. It's a lovely day. I'm not looking at the camera again. I think I've got this new theme.
This was not our destiny. I tried to look on the bright side, a new day to finally be fine. You don't ask, but I know I'll be alright. 'Cause
Jess, can you go round and take this cable so I don't squish all the bits? Thanking you.
Thank you.
Lovely jubbly.
Don't forget your camera.
I won't. Right, that's us done on this job. It's miles out of our way in Northamptonshire. Highly sought after business we were. Read the reviews, loved every second of it. Booked a year ahead. Now this is the power of negative reviewing. Real people booking real services off the backs of idiots. Don't get me wrong, some of these people are probably nice in their life, but it wasn't very nice to us. And leaving lifelong comments about being a con man and I'm never to be ill and I live a lifelong service of just providing window cleaners. Don't think so. Got my own life. Gonna live it. Not gonna work 60 to 80 hours a week anymore. Not giving away 3 cleans. It's my time. Did very well off the back of the likes of consumers that weren't very consuming. Do you know what I mean?
Do I know what you mean, actually?
It's a beautiful day, hey, hey. What's your name again?
It's again.
It's again. How are you again? I do need a cloth of mystery.
Here, you can have my cloth of
No,
mystery.
mine's pink.
Oh,
It's very pink.
yours is bleached.
You look like that was a successful murder. I hate those unsuccessful murders.
Yeah, they're unsuccessful.
Well, that's the victim living. That's quite a hard thing to say, but that's what Netflix and chill does to you.
Netflix and chill is Netflix and kill.
Turns you into a serial killer. But in all honesty, what better way to research
Well, yeah.
becoming a
Well, how to do it wrong, basically.
infamous international serial killer? It's to watch Netflix. It's the way we roll. Say bye.